Everyone, welcome to our channel.
And we are the
Cherries
Cherries
TV.
I'm Abby.
I'm Mark.
Welcome to our channel, guys.
Today we are here to present you our new channel, which we call the
Cherries TV.
By watching this channel, you will learn a lot from us. We'll try to throw some humor in there, try to throw some food, try everything that we can to keep you guys entertained.
Alright guys, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And anything you want to see, just let us know. Enjoy this video. Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Alright, I'm about to show you guys how to make Haitian chicken sauce. I start off by putting some vinegar on the chicken. I feel like putting vinegar on the chicken is what really helps clean that chicken real good. Some white distilled vinegar, guys. And then we're gonna go ahead and put some salt, regular salt, nothing too fancy, from Bravo. Alright, putting the salt will definitely penetrate inside of that chicken to make sure chicken gets sell. Alright, but before I do that, I'm gonna wash my hands, y'all, with some good old palm olive. Alright guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your notification so that you can get notified. Alright, right here I'm about to show you exactly what I do. But before I do so, I'm going to just take a plastic bag from Publix, anywhere, Walmart, doesn't matter, so I can put the skin. I don't like the skin on the chicken, so I'm going to demonstrate to you guys exactly how I clean that chicken. First off, I start off by taking my knife and going around that chicken leg into a circle, basically cutting it into a circle so that it could be easier for me to take out the veins that I don't want, the skin, and that extra gunk. Alright, take my knife and cutting it off, throwing it in the bag. Alright, and then see how easy it is to just take off that skin? That's what you want. That's the purpose of cutting it into a circle. And then you see all that vein. I'm gonna take these shears, these cooking shears, and I'm gonna cut off the excess veins, y'all. Alright, just take off the fats and stuff like that. What you see me doing right now, I am cutting into the bone so that the sauces and the vinegar, all of that can get inside the bone so that it can be tasty. As Haitians like doing that. And then now I'm slicing in between the meat so that when I'm seasoning, to season you can go inside of there, you know. And then I'm demonstrating that again, taking the excess fats and pieces that I don't like and slitting it again so that seasons can get in there, y'all. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Alright, here I'm washing my hands again. Gotta keep my hands clean. Gotta keep them very clean, honey. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Scrub it up, dub. Alright. Now it's time to actually clean the chicken. The second part of cleaning the chicken with lime. The lime. What I do is put a bowl to the side, and I squeeze that lime juice onto the chicken, and I rub it on there, basically almost scrubbing it on that chicken, making sure each part of the chicken gets some lime, and then I put it in that bowl. Here's my last piece, demonstrating it one more time, scrubbing that lime on there, and then I'm gonna add it into that bowl. Alright, now I rinse the chicken with cold tap water. Nothing fancy, no Aquafina, no Zephyr Hills, just some plain old cold tap water, guys. And then I drain that water out. Alright. Look at that chicken, very clean and ready to be shredded. Rinsing my hands. Alright. Now it's time to take my pot. I'm going to take that pot and then fill it up, not all the way, but fill it up with water. Alright, I put the pot on the stove to be boiled, to start boiling and stuff like that. And then these limes that I am squeezing on top of the chicken. Those are the limes that I'm gonna put inside of that boiling water to shode. I don't know if you guys know what shode is in English, but I don't know the name in English. So right there, you see me putting the pot on medium heat, and these are the limes after I've done squeezing them. I'm putting them inside of that water so it can boil, and then I'm gonna add some salt, just regular plain salt, y'all, regular plain salt, and then I'm gonna add some vinegar, regular distilled white vinegar, you guys, not apple cider vinegar, but white vinegar, and we're gonna let it come to a boil. All right, so now it's boiling, and it's time to put it on top of that chicken. I feel like the reason why we do this is to tighten up the meat. I'm not sure, but if you don't do this, your meat is not gonna cook well. It's gonna take a minute to cook, and it's not gonna cook well. Make sure each and every chicken, the bottom part of the bone, the top, everything is in there. All right, now it's time to separate the chicken. All right, now I'm putting it in this pot. This is the pot where I'm gonna be seasoning that chicken, you guys. Okay, making sure I get all that excess water out of it. Make sure you get all that liquid off, all of that liquid off, guys. Okay, now it's time to throw away that water, throw it in the sink, don't throw it away in the trash, because you're gonna have a real bad problem. You're gonna be in a one pickle. All right, now it's time to season, you guys. All right, this is the épice. This épice right here is one of our main ingredients. If you want to know how I make it, just comment in the comments down below, and I'll definitely make a special video for you guys. Here's the mojo. This mojo has lime, it has garlic, it has sour oranges. It is basically acidla. That's the curry paste, West Indian curry paste. Some parsley flakes, cayenne pepper, guys. The blue top adobo from Goya. The orange top adobo from Goya. Maggi, another one of our favorite ingredients. This one, and if you don't have it in your food ain't gonna taste good. Accent salt, ground pepper, ground black pepper, Cajun, oregano, clove powder. I love clove powder because it gives the food flavor, but I hate the whole powders, the whole clove, so I got the powder. And now onion, last but not least. Now it's time to mix everything up, guys. Right, here's the épice. I don't need to put too much épice since I'm already putting some of these seasons, so just two spoons of épice. All right, just a disclaimer, guys, I don't measure how much I need to put in there because of the seasonings, because I've been doing this for about most of my life, basically. I've been cooking for most of my life. Haitian parents don't play that. So I used to measure, but I've been doing it so much, I learned to eyeball it, and I know exactly how much I need to put in there without having to add more. Well, sometimes, you know, humans make mistakes. You're probably going to need to add a little bit more here and there when you're doing the cooking process, but I don't have to be adding a ton more. You understand what I'm saying? So I don't eyeball. I eyeball them. So if you really want me to measure it, I don't have a problem. Just comment down in the description, in the comments below, and I will definitely measure them off for you. I love me some cayenne pepper, y'all. Some Cajun seasoning. There you go. garlic powder. I forgot the garlic powder. I had to come back and get it. All right, last but not least, some parsley flakes, y'all. Make sure you get that parsley flake in there, boy. And now it's time to mix them all together. And if you've ever cooked Haitian food before, and from this process alone, you already smell that food. All right, now this is my favorite part, the onion. The same way that onion, when you're cutting it, the juices make your eyes water. It's the same way those same juices will penetrate inside of that chicken to give it all the flavor. So what I do is I just cut them like that, as you can see, and then I lay it on there. When I lay it on there so that it can penetrate overnight. Alright guys, it's the next day. Look at that, it's been sitting there in the fridge for 24 hours and I have it on medium heat. Before I add some water, I let it start cooking for a little bit. And now I'm adding my warm water, guys. Warm water. And we're gonna let it come to a boil. Alright, right here I added my celery sticks already, my thyme, and I added my pepper. You probably don't see the pepper because it was, I broke it and then I put it in there. And then I'm putting on my sazon. My sazon. There you go. I had it upside down, you guys. There you go. Sazon from boy. Taking my spoon and I'm about to stir it up. Alright guys, it's finally cooked. It's finally cooked. I let the water not drain out, but it started to simmer down. And it is cooked. It is cooked. Now it's time to fry the chicken. Alright guys. Fry it. We're about to put one piece of the chicken in there, guys. Y'all can hear that sizzling, boy. Ooh. If only you guys can smell this. I know you guys will probably love it. It smells so good. It smells so good. Alright, we're gonna put it in the that's exactly how it looks. Alright, now it's time to make the sauce. I went ahead and I continued to fry the rest, and behind the scenes, now it's time to make that sauce. I did add a little bit of oil, but I'm gonna add a tad bit more. All right, just a little bit. We're gonna let that oil warm up a little bit. All right, now we're about to add our Hunt's tomato paste. We're gonna add that tomato paste. That's what's gonna give it the color, the flavor too. Alright, so you have to be very careful once you put that tomato paste because it can pop. If you notice it popped a little bit, it will pop. Alright, now this is the cooked version of it. Now it's starting to cook real good. I'm gonna add my warm water to start making that sauce, you guys, that Haitian sauce. Stir it all up so that it can break. It's not gonna break completely fully. It's when it starts to boil that tomato paste is gonna break. All right, and it dissolved. All right, there you go. There you have it. It's starting to boil. It smells so good. Now, the same liquid that we had cooked the chicken in, it turned into a chicken broth. There you go. We put that in there. Oh my God, that sauce smells so good. It smells so good. Alright, stir that thing up. Alright, now, oh man, if only y'all can smell it. If only you guys can smell it over this video. Oh my gosh. You guys will be red and green peppers, guys. Sweet red and green peppers. Alright, we're gonna let it boil for a little bit so that it can cook. Alright, so they started to cook. I definitely tasted my sauce, and it needs some Maggi, a little bit, just a little bit, and a little bit of salt. Just a tad bit, nothing too serious, guys. Make sure you guys taste it. If it's enough for you guys, y'all don't have to add the extra. But if it's not, go ahead and add a little bit more. Alright, look at that. It's so beautiful and it smells so good. Go ahead and stir it. After you do, add a little bit more. About to add the chicken, guys. It's my favorite part, man. It's my favorite part. Alright, if you noticed, I fried that chicken a little bit. It's extra crispy. Why? So that when I put in that sauce, it's not too hard. It is not too soft. It's gonna be just right. Make sure you mix your chicken in there real well. Real well. Alright. There you have it, guys. Look at that chicken. Tell that the texture changed. It's not too soft, it's not too hard, it's just right. Alright, now it's time to add the onions. I don't know about you guys, but I love onions. Love onions. And I feel like without onions, you don't have a sauce. You don't have chicken sauce. You don't have Haitian chicken sauce, actually. Make sure I put all those onions in there. I don't know if you guys let it cook to its full potential, but me, I don't let it cook all the way. There you go. Alright, guys. Man, if only y'all can smell it. I'm sorry for saying that so much, but it smells so good. They really do. Alright, guys, and this is the final product. Here is the Haitian chicken nut sauce. Look at that picture, guys. Wow. Thank you for watching the Cherries TV. See you next time.